Hello everyone and welcome to 10542 on Disney's brand new ship, the Disney Treasure. This is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda, and this is a category 05A room. So I'm going to take you guys on just a little tour to show you guys around in this room. So to start off, here is your main light switch. This is going to allow you to turn on the lights and dim them and all that. You're going to want a key card though. It can be your regular key card, or you can just get like a dummy key or whatever you want, some sort of key for it. Right here is your first bathroom. This one has the toilet and the sink. So this is the first one. And then here is your second one. I love the tile in here. It's so cute. And then here is the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So, oh, and here is a full-length mirror. And then here is the closet. Got a bunch of hanging space here, and then that is for your pull-down bed. Then here is your other closet. This one has some more hanging storage, your life jackets, some other little like compartments, and a safe. Here is the bed. This is a Nemo themed room, so on deck 10 they either have Nemo or Luca, and so this specific room has Nemo on it. It's so cute. Here's the little like treasure bedding. And then here is your TV. And then if you have a connecting room, I do not, I just have this room, but if you were to have a connecting room, that is your connecting door. So you can get this room and that room and they would connect, but something I found out is they don't connect on the balcony, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. Normally they will connect on balconies, but this room and that room does not. So then here is your fold-out couch. So at night, they will come in. You don't have to do any of it. They will come in and they will just fold this down. And then you also have one right up here that will pull down. Here is your little vanity. It's got some drawers. It even has some lighting, which is perfect if you want to do your makeup or anything, any of the sorts. And then it's got some decent amount of storage. And then here is your drawers. This one has your hair dryer in it. And it's got just some other drawers. And then here is your little like mini beverage fridge. And then this one is the other one. If you didn't know, you can actually take these home with you if you would like. They replenish these every single cruise. Now let's go check out the balcony. Here is the balcony. Then here you just have two little chairs and a little table. Like I had said before, it does not connect here. So normally they would have it connect, but with this one, it is just a wall. So it doesn't connect there. But if you notice, over here, it has a different type of door. So normally they would just unlatch this door and then you could have connecting balconies. So if you had a friend or family member in the other room, or you had that room as well, you could connect them. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, that is the veranda. So that is a room tour of 10542 on the Disney Treasure. I hope you guys were able to find this video just a bit helpful for your next cruise. And let me know down below if you're going to be on the Disney Treasure or if you already have been and your thoughts on it. Make sure to stay tuned because I'm also going to have a series of different vlogs and just different videos on the Disney Treasure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!